Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips, and today is Wednesday. It's May 31st of 2024, and I am so excited because today I made us a group so that we can go, anyone who would like to come with Gordon and I, on the inaugural sailing for the Star Princess, sailing on August 4th of 2025, round trip out of Rome, and it's a 9-day cruise. So let me tell you about the itinerary, and then I'll tell you a little bit what I've got in mind. So first of all, like I said, it's round trip out of Rome. So we leave Rome. We have a day at sea, which would be really fun for a group because then we've got time to get together and meet everybody and have some fun things together. And then the next day we are on Corfu, Greece. Corfu is amazing. It is so beautiful. It's a Greek island. What more could you want? My favorite place to go there is the Achilleon Palace. That belonged to Sissi, the Empress Elizabeth, that we just were seeing so much of her, everything that she had such an impact on, and her palace and everything there when we were in Vienna and then in Budapest, Hungary. She had a lot of influence there as well. She has a palace there on Corfu. Absolutely beautiful, and the ride there is so fun too. It's all these twisty and turvy and turning roads, and the drivers are so fun to go with, the bus drivers, and just to see how they drive. It's just such a lovely experience. So that's what I always like to do there, and then go shopping and eat some really good food. Now the next place is Kotor, Montenegro, and I love Kotor, and I should tell you that in Corfu, we are in Port Clear from 8 o'clock in the morning until 6 o'clock in the evening. And in Kotor, we are in port from 7 in the morning until 6 at night. I love that because it gives you plenty of time to go, if you want to go on an excursion or book your own tour, whatever you want to do. And then you've still got plenty of time to go shopping and explore the city. Like in Kotor, go see St. Tryphon's Cathedral. And in that square there's places to eat. There's lots of other places to eat as well, and really cool things to see. You can hike clear up the side of the mountain. Just so many things to see and do there. And then the day after that is a day at sea. Then we're in Mykonos, Greece, which is from 7 in the morning until 6 p.m. Santorini, you guys, from 7 in the morning until 6 p.m. Then we have a day at sea. And then the last full day of the cruise will be in Naples. So if you're not familiar with Naples, in Naples there is so much to see. Everything from, like, the archaeology museum there is one of the premier archaeology museums in the world. It has a lot of the artifacts that were taken, like from Herculaneum, from Pompeii. Just so many beautiful things there to see. My daughter and I went there one time when we went on a cruise. We've been there a couple of times on a cruise, Caroline and I, and the Capodimonte Museum, pizza. There's a church there that has a beautiful Caravaggio painting. Just so much to see. And then also that is the jumping off point to go to Sorrento, to go to Capri, the Amalfi Coast. So much to see. So it's just thrilling. And then the next day we are back in Rome. So the things that I am really looking forward to as far as a group cruise goes is I will reserve tables so that we can eat dinner together at a set time every evening. And if you'd like to join us, we'd love to have you. And I imagine that there will be some nights people will want to dine on their own, or maybe do specialty dining, or just eat at a different time, and that's okay. And then also put together some times that we can meet up otherwise and either do trivia, because our team won the first night of trivia. The second night we lost, and then the other nights we have had other things going on at the same time, so we haven't made it. But anyway, there's just so many fun things that we can do together, as well as just to get together to visit and get to know each other and have such a fun time. So I am really excited about this, if you can't tell. So if you would like to come, and you know you want to come already, send me an email, and I would be delighted to book you that cruise. Today they were supposed to be available to book for elite passengers, but those inaugural sailings have not been available. So I'm really hoping that tomorrow, June 1st, they will be available to book. And I can't send you a quote today because it's not working, but if you'd like a quote, you can send me that as well, and I would be delighted to send you a quote. And the way it works with the group too is they give me pricing, and then if I can find it cheaper, if I'm able to book it any less, then we can book it at that price. But then if the price goes up an awful lot and the group rate is still lower, like that's where we are with the Total Eclipse cruise, then we're in a better situation. And so send me an email if you wouldn't mind. I'll call you back as quickly as I can I mentioned in my other video that I'm having a hard time with the Wi-Fi is really slow on the Eurodom. And I was even having a really hard time just sending emails, and I did pay for the upgraded package. And so I'm going to go down to guest services again and see if anyone's figured anything out to get Wi-Fi calling to work. I just think maybe their Wi-Fi is too slow. So if you send me an email and you don't hear back from me, I'll plan to call you on Saturday when we get off the ship, okay? Because we'll have a little time to wait at the airport. We'll fly home, which is like a 2-hour flight, and then I'll be able to call as well. So yeah, just let me know what you would like, and we'll go from there. I am really excited, and I really like that it's far enough away. It's gosh, just over 2 years, so we've got plenty of time to make plans, save our money and everything else. So I am just really excited about this, and yeah. If you have any questions, put them down below and I'll get back to you on the answer. And if you have not subscribed yet, clearly we need you with us. And if you can't come with us on the cruise, that's okay, because we'll take you along with us anyway. So if you appreciate these updates, would you please give this video a thumbs up? I'll be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.